Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Camilia. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny square triangle. So let's begin. Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. This is counted as 1 double crochet. Another 7 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 8 double crochet stitches altogether. Tighten up the ring. Chain 1. Round 2. Slip knot. Attach yarn into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Double crochet into the same stitch. Then we're going to make 7 puff stitches. We put the first one in between the first and second double crochet stitches. Yarn over, go into the space. Yarn over, go into the space. Yarn over, go into the space. Pull up the loops. We have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 1. Then again, we put puff stitches into the next space. Yarn over, go into the next space. Yarn over, go into the same space. Yarn over, go into the same space. Pull up the loops. We have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 1. We need to make another 5 puff stitches. We have done 7 puff stitches. Now we put 2 double crochet stitches into the last stitch. Chain 1. Round 3. Slip knot. Attach yarn between the 2 double crochet stitches. Chain 3. Then we start the incomplete double crochet stitch clusters. Yarn over, go into the first space. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the space. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the space, yarn over, pull through 2. One more, yarn over, go into the space, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have 4 incomplete double crochet stitches, and we have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, turn 1, then another one, yarn over, go into the space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the same space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the same space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the same space, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, we have 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through all, turn 1. Continue this. We need 8 incomplete double crochet clusters. I will meet you at the end of this row, so we meet at this point. We are at the end of round 3. Double crochet into the space between 2 double crochet stitches. Turn 1, round 4. Slip knot. Attach yarn into the first space between the clusters and the first chain 3 space. Chain 4. This chain 4 is counted as 1 treble crochet. Then yarn over twice, go into the space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Another treble crochet stitches. Three double crochet stitches. Three half double crochet stitches. Three double crochet stitches. Three treble crochet stitches. Chain 2. Another 3 treble crochet stitches into the same space. Three double crochet stitches into the next space. Three half double crochet stitches into the next space. 3 double crochet stitches into the next space. Then 3 treble crochet stitches into the space. Chain 1, we have done this triangle granny square. Don't forget to weave in the end.